Are you ready for a student design challenge? This one will involve you creating a logo design that will simulate a real-world client project. Here's the client brief. The company is called Pet Love. They are a purely online retailer that sells pet products, medications, and food. And they cater to multiple pet types including birds, cats, dogs, and fish. Their number one selling category is the dog category, with cats being number 2. The client wants a memorable, catchy logo that can work well on their website and also on digital advertising. Pet Love will be doing heavy advertising on social media to increase sales in the coming months, as 100% of their traffic comes from digital ads. They're not sure whether or not they want the .com in the name. Perhaps they want to see it both ways? They want a simple, clean logo and have presented you with 2 logos they like the style of, although they are open to exploring other styles. They are also open to colors, but they want a logo that can also be used in one color if they needed to. This is a realistic client brief and a situation based on 14 years of doing freelance logo design work. This will hopefully simulate a real client situation. You could do one concept or several, and I'll be critiquing all submitted projects, if you choose this design challenge. You could post your project in the Q&A or community section of your class, or post it right here on the exclusive student Facebook group. This will be a fun and unique project, as everyone will have the same client brief. It'll be interesting how everyone interprets the client brief and adds their own flair and creative style to the mock client. Good luck and have fun.